If you plan on removing the front doors from your Jeep 4x4, the available Door-Off Mirror Kit provides exterior rear-view trail mirrors that can be installed on the upper body door hinges of your vehicle. Your kit includes the following items: 2 side mirrors, 2 mirror brackets, 6 mirror screws, 2 bracket bushings, 2 hinge shoulder bolts, 2 bracket bolts. You'll also need the number 40 Torx head driver and ratchet provided with your vehicle, as well as your own number 30 Torx head driver. To install the mirrors, you'll have to remove the front doors first. After removing the front doors, remove the cowl bolt closest to the door opening using a number 40 Torx head driver and store it in a safe location. Now it's time to install the bracket. You may want to rotate the outside of the bracket so that the bottom of the bracket is pointing toward the back of the vehicle. This will make it easier for the clamp on the inside of the bracket to attach to the A-pillar. Push the mirror bracket forward onto the A-pillar. The plastic trim on the side of the dashboard will give so that the innermost part of the clamp fits between the trim and the A-pillar. Rotate the outside part of the bracket 90 degrees to align the bottom of the bracket with the upper door hinge and the hole from the removed cowl bolt. You may want to lightly tighten the bracket knob to temporarily secure the mirror bracket. Now place the bracket bushing behind the mirror bracket and over the hole for the cowl bolt. Then insert the bracket bolt into the mirror bracket and through the bracket bushing. Be careful not to cross-thread the bracket bolt. Once the bolt is through the bushing, you may want to loosen the bracket knob slightly to allow for better alignment. Insert the hinge shoulder bolt through the bottom of the upper door hinge up into the mirror bracket. Then rotate the bracket knob toward the rear of the vehicle to secure the mirror bracket to the A-pillar. Next, tighten the bracket bolt and the hinge shoulder bolt with a number 40 Torx head driver. Place the mirror assembly against the bracket. Hold it in place with one hand while using the other hand to insert the 3 mirror screws into the assembly and tighten them into the mirror bracket using a number 30 Torx head driver. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle and you can be on your way. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.